Hello and welcome back to my slow English learning podcast. In this video, I will talk about my project. So, what happened with my project in the time at the time of semester end examinations? Examinations was the last day, so the time was very quickly going on. So suddenly, not suddenly, my external came to my came with came to me, and they told me to show your project. I told her, this is my project real estate management system, where the users can get the centralized server, centralized structure, where where the property can save here, property can listed here very properly, so they can manage it clearly, very fluently. Okay, and after that, I told her, like, in this I have implemented basically three main component, which is the user admin and user admin and owner. She already know. She was telling, like, okay, this is the three component, user admin and owner. So user can add the property, and admin can view all the property, and the user can buy the property, right? I said yes. Okay, then she was laughing, actually. So I thought, I didn't think at that time, what should I do. And then slowly I have explained the main component of my project, which was the web stock and one more REST API. So I have implemented two API basically in my project, which is REST API, which is used for the communicating between the front end to back end, and the web API is web stock is the technology that I have implemented in my project for the purpose of communicating the chatting between the employee and between the owner and user. If the user want to communicate with the owner, then they can easily communicate using that function. I have explained this one also, and I went to the admin panel, and I have explained these are the total users, and this is two users are there and two owners are there, and like a good dashboard was showing. Okay, then she asked to me, from where did you copy this project? I said, from nowhere. Can you say? From nowhere. Actually, I said, at that time, I made this project at the time of my internship. So she was laughing. I don't know. I think she was thinking, like, I have copied that project from the ChatGPT or something, or some other tools, AI tools. But I don't think so. I didn't think a lot at that time. Just I have explained, and she asked one to two questions more. I don't remember right now. And she told me to leave. I went. I went outside. And now this is the time of the exam is already done. You know already, right? And my friend said to yesterday to uh, make a project, like a major project, not an individual. It's a group project. Me and my friend are thinking to make a payment gateway system. It's like a phone pay, Google Pay, and all, like how the payment gateway is working behind the scenes. Okay, and before that I have thought, actually the plan was good. I said to my friend, we'll do first payment gateway system, but that my friend said to me, first I'll will do in this inventory management system, then after that I'll will move on that, because in payment gateway system is too big. It's so big project. We cannot we have a lot of things to study, uh, EMI calculations, mm, or what was those um, EMI interest or something like this. We have to study more about that. But compared to that, this inventory management system is easy for us. So we are doing work from today itself. So we research about the inventory management system, actually what it is, and how this can be work, how this will be provide the more meaningful, how this will provide a structured way to organize our store or our warehouse. So I have still working on it. I have first phase of the SDLC has been completed, which is requirement gathering. I have gathered the requirement from the users. Users is nothing but we are the users, right? So we are all. I'm also thinking. My friend is also thinking, and both will combine to each other. Then the main result, the main component of requirement gathering will be ready. Actually, in this, what it is, first I'll tell you. What is that inventory management system? So it is a systematic way to handle to manage the warehouses or stores, big stores, where the product can, if the product came to our warehouses, so the stock will be increased, right? And if the product will be sold, then the stock will be decreased. So this kind of thing happening, to manage those this kind of thing, we are implementing the digital system for this. Okay, this will automatically handle, this will automatically delete if the product is not there, if the how much product sold, total, what was the ratio of total product, all those things will be showing here. And the component of this project is, I have 5 to 6 component in this, which is first product management. That is, in this we will be able to add the product, we will able to modify the product, and we can delete the product also. So that's the in the product management component we can do like this. And the second is sales stock management, where we are managing the stocks, means how much stocks are there. If two product had been sold, then it should affect on the user interface, like 2 product has been sold, so 10 is the rest, like this. Okay. And track quantity also, like I said already, track quantity. Next is sales and order management, where the users order will be managed, and how much sales has been done, that will be managed, create a order and place the order, like this, and reduce the stock. And this module is able to reduce the stock also, if the order will be happen, right? If the 2 customer did the order, so the stock will be reduced, right? Stock will be decreased. So this will be happen in this. So I have explained 3 main component, which is product management, second is sales management, stock management, third is sales and order management, and fourth is nothing but user management, where the user can enter in our digital system by the using of login or register. if the user already registered, then they can directly go through the login. If they didn't register, then they have to register using the username and name, phone number, and password. After that, here I have two subtype, which is role based on the role, which is first is user and second one is admin. So there is a two types here, user base, and user base can only see the limited value, limited stock, limited thing of our project, and the admin can access the entire thing, whatever we are implemented in our project. Okay. And now one more thing is there, one more component is there, which is dashboard. In that dashboard, where in this total number of stock will be showing, how much stock we have, and how much low stock alert will be showing there, like stock is too low, so you have to fill that stock. And the sales summary will be showing here. Sales summary will also show, also you can see. And the how much order did you today days, how much order had been done. So like this will be showing in the dashboard. And lastly is the report, where we can generate a today's sales report, yesterday's sales report, in a month sales report, in the yearly sales report, from where we can analyze how much sales has been done, and we can compare from the today's to yesterday, like how much percentage sales has been done. And stock report we can also generate, the how much stock we have, how much stock previous year we had, and the history of tracking, like how much history of this tracking, what I did in my report, that history will also coming. So that makes a so big, it seems it is also the so big project compared to fintech. Okay, fintech is also so big, but it is also so big. We have to think it very clearly. And now in this technology and tools. So in this we are using the Python as a backend, and Python and Django is the web development framework, and React and JavaScript will be our front end. And for database purpose, we will be using PostgreSQL or MongoDB. I didn't decide yet, but most probably I'll use PostgreSQL in this. So that will be make more fantastic project. I will make a video of my project, and I'll show you in this YouTube channel only. So that was the day. Today also I'm writing, and I'm reading this, means how will we happen. I'm thinking that is my day. That this kind of thing I did today. After that, I don't want to say you anything. Just be with me. Just connect with me, because you know already. I don't want to. Sorry. Because you know I want to connect with you. I want to make connections with you, because of I need so many. Sorry. I need someone is there who want to talk with me in English. I want to improve my English nowadays, because it's so important for me in the field of technology. Without English we cannot live, we cannot stay in the field of technology. That's why I'm continuously improving my English. um, Thank you so much for having with me. Have a nice day.